dishes today. I think we're making some pork lettuce wraps.
That sounds delicious.
It does.
Yep.
Are we going to P.F. Chang's?
P.F. Chang's? We can do it right here.
Alright, let's do it. The beauty of this meal is that it's just a couple of fresh vegetables, a couple of sauces that you'll have on hand, and ground pork. The thing with this recipe is that it's actually really simple. You think it's not, but it is.
Oh, I know. Let's wait for the seaplane.
That was a base.
No, we're not gonna. I used to think this recipe was pretty difficult just because you go to P.F. Chang's, it's delicious. It seems like it's a lot of work, but it's really not. You just need a couple of simple vegetables, your basic sauces that you have on hand, and ground pork.
That's it?
That's it.
Well, now I'm getting hungry.
I know, let's do it.
Let's do this.
So I'm going to start with the vegetables, and normally with this recipe it usually calls for carrots, shallots, garlic, onion, water chestnuts. I don't have that right now, and I would usually go with like jicama, something with a crunch, but I have cabbage, so I'm going to use that in substitute. Little tip, I never peel my carrots. I just give it a good wash and we are good to go. We're ready.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so what's next?
Okay, so veggies are prepped and it's time to brown the meat. Put in the shallots and the garlic, throw in the carrots, throw in a couple other things, add the sauce, and we are all set.
That's it?
That's it.
Good. I'm starving.
Alright, so I'm gonna just put in the shallots, the garlic, and actually I'm gonna put in the carrots at the same time because it takes the longest to soften. And then after that I'll put in the onions, and then I'll put the cabbage in last just because I don't really want to take away the crispness of it. But after this I'll go ahead and put in the sauce.
Life on Lake Union.
It never gets old.
It doesn't. Really enjoying the view today.
Happy just
It does.
seeing kind of this kind of stuff.
You weren't saying that 2 days ago in the pouring rain.
Nobody does when it's raining.
Emma, what do you think about this sunshine?
Love it. I don't know why I'm not outside.
It's because you're a kid. Get out here.
I'm gonna put in the onions now. We're almost done.
Uh-oh, I missed something. What are you up to?
So I'm making a little slurry with cornstarch and a little bit of water, and that will thicken up the sauce. But first I'm gonna go ahead and put this in because it is done. And this is just the rest of the cabbage to give it a little crunch. And then we'll get our lettuce. And we're all set.
Okay, it smells so good. I brought you a gift.
Aw. You know a way to make a girl happy. Alright, so I'm going to do a taste test and just to see how it works before I finish it.
Is it hot?
No, it's not too spicy, but it does need a little.
Oh,
I love my ginger, and I really actually like having this on board just because it keeps for so long, and just seems to add a little something.
it has that little kick to it.
I don't know what it is, but it just gives it a little brightness to it, and I just love it. Alright, so meat's done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prep the lettuce because obviously it is pork lettuce wraps. And usually you do use like a butter lettuce or a bib lettuce. I have romaine, so you gotta use it what you have. So let's do it. There really isn't anything better than to have family and friends over for dinner, and this is kind of what we live for. Just having something that's a simple meal that everyone can enjoy, and it's really laid back, and I just hope you enjoy it.